Dear children, good evening to all. In our previous class, we discussed about the single inheritance, how to make program. But today, we will see another type of program. The type is multiple. It's nothing but multiple inheritance. We know the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is nothing but two or more base classes and then is based on only one derived classes. Sir, simply you say, sir, I am myself, okay, I am son. I came from my godfather and my lovely mother. So basically my father and mothers both are base classes. I am the derived classes. So I am myself. Came from my mother and father. So mother is a one base class, father is another one base class. Two or more base classes is deriving only one derived classes is nothing but multiple inheritance. That about we will see program today. Okay? Yes. In this program, multiple inheritance. Okay? Yes. How to make, sir, coding. We know every program we should write hash include input and output string. Okay, yes. And then using name space std should be terminated by semicolon. These two include files and library files or preprocessor directory statement. But in this inheritance or multiple inheritance, we're making using the type is nothing but class method. That's why class. Okay, yes. First base class is father. So class name is father. Open brace. So in this process, public is access specifier, but constructor and destructor will under the public scope. That's why we're creating public. So class name also same as constructor name. So I will make a program for the constructor. Open and close. Here open. Now here show out the statement. Okay, yes. Previously will display for active, brave, courageous, dutiful, okay, earnest, faith, generous, honest, and then today we will see I for intelligence. Intelligence. Okay, yes. In this intelligent will show it today. Okay, yes. That statement will declare handle. Here also close. Same. That constructor can create destructor also. Same for the open and close. Again we'll see out. I for intelligence and then J for judicious. 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 Okay, yes. Here also I done one mistake. Sorry for my mistake. It should be declared symbol and then handle. Here also same thing, handle. Okay, here there is a tilde symbol of the father, the destructor, open and then close. Okay, so father is a one type of constructor. So tilde symbol father is a destructor, and then this open brace it should be terminated by semicolon. Okay, this is a one type of class. Okay, yes. And then in this program continuation we will create another part. That create part is nothing but class. In this class base, the class name is mother. Okay, yes. Open brace. Same. Access specifier is public. In the inside the public, we'll make constructor. The constructor name is mother. Okay, open. Sir, what's the statement here you will show share? Already we know I for intelligence, J for judicious. After J, K, no. K for kindness. K for kindness. I think you can understand. Here also terminated by handle. So this is close brace. Same here also mother. Open and close. Here also see out. In this process inside after K, L for loving. L for loving. Here handle. This is close brace. Here mother open and close. Here also mother tail open and close. The body should be terminated by semicolon. So what do you learn from this coding? This is one type of class method. This is a one base class, and then this is also one type of base class. Okay, in this type is nothing but this is also one type of base class. Okay, here this is also one type of base class. Set. The type is multiple inheritance. We know multiple inheritance is nothing but two or more base classes deriving only one derived class. That derived class is nothing but class. Okay, son. Myself, son. I came from colon public. Here first class name is father. Okay, here public mother. Okay, yes. Here also open, and then same inside the public scope. Here son is a constructor name. In the constructor name, what output will show sir? In this statement, the constructor name is already we know K for kindness, L for loving. Okay, K L M. M for merciful. M for merciful. Okay, here also terminated by handle. It should be closed, and then so here open brace and then close brace. In this continuation process, the end of the program will go. This is same and destructor. Destructor function here also open. In this process, what will we do, sir? See out. Okay, here already we know M for merciful. Okay, here K L. This is M. N for neatness. N for neatness. Okay, here if you want to see closed or endel, otherwise no problem. Why? Because this is a lost see out. Be closed. Okay, yes. Here open and close. Here also tilde sign is a destructor open and close. Here body should be terminated by semicolon. Sir, these two base classes. But here this is what sir, or this is what sir. This is derived class. This is called derived class. Here how do we know sir? In this method, only one derived class came from two base class. One base class is father, another one base class is mother. Two or more, but here I am creating only two base classes. Okay, yes. Sir, finally what do you say, sir? But end of the program, we're making here end main. Open and close. But in this case, here what? Sun. So final, the concept is final class name is sun x. Okay, as here sun is what? Derived class name, X is object name. Okay, here int main open sign, X is terminated semicolon. But here int main, that's why we'll declare return 0. Program is closed. So finally, in this program, what do we learn, sir? In this program, here this is one type of base class. Here also one type of base class. But here in this derived class came from these two base class. This is 1 and then 2. But in this single program, we are introducing constructor and destructor also. That's why what output will get it, sir? First thing we'll see here. This is I for intelligence, the first constructor. That's why this is 1. And then second constructor K for kindness. This is 2. And then third one is here M for merciful. This is 3. Okay, yes. The third one is M for merciful. Here destructor is N for neatness. This is 4. After that, destructor is nothing but reverse order. Constructor means ascending, destructor means descending. Constructor means order wise, destructor means reorder. That reorder, that's why here fifth one is okay in that case. Okay, here first constructor base we will make it program. Okay, here this also constructor, and then finally this is 4. Okay, and then here this is 5. Why? Because this is reverse order 5. And then sixth one is judicious. Okay, here 1 and then 2 and then 3. These are constructor. Here reverse order 4 and then here 5. Here 6. This is reverse order destructor. Sir, final output is what, sir? Okay, so final output in this program. Okay, here I for intelligence. So I for intelligence. Why? Because here endel, that's why exclamatory intelligence. And then another one is K for what? K for kindness. Kindness. Okay, here. And then third one is M for merciful. Mercy. Merciful. Okay, yes. And then this one destructor is nothing but N for neatness. So N for neatness. But reverse order, this is the fifth one, L for loving. L for loving. And then sixth one, J for judicious. CIOUS. Okay, here also kindness, K for kindness, and then loving, here merciful, and then N for neatness. Okay, here J for judicious. Okay, judicious also exclamatory also included. That's why included. This is final output of the program, my dear children. Okay, so I think so you can understand 100% of this program. Why? Because this is a one type of base class, this is another type of base class, but this is a derived class. But same time here also constructor and destructor, here also constructor and destructor, here also constructor and destructor. All constructor can order wise, destructor is reverse order. That's why we'll get this output. Okay, yes. The same multiple inheritance. Dear children, I will give one homework for you. That homework, okay, you have to work out in your fair note and then take photocopy, send to my personal WhatsApp number. What homework, sir? Here the end of session now. Here you see, here neatness. Okay, you continuous. O for obedient. P for punctuality. Punctuality. Okay. Q for quiet. Quiet. Q for quiet. And then R for regularity or response. And then S for sincerity. Okay. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we want to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then T for truthfulness. You see? Truthfulness. So this is a working. This output will get how to make a program using multiple inheritance. Okay, again, I'll tell you this is a homework. O for obedient, P for punctuality, Q for quiet, R for regular, S for sincerity, T for truthfulness. This display we want to see using coding method is multiple inheritance. Okay, okay, boys. We will see next session. We'll see multi-level inheritance.